Set the scene this Christmas with these quick and simple ideas. From creating Christmas crafts to serving seasonal snacks, Hobby Lobby's here to help you plan a comfy and cozy celebration right at home. Get seating areas holiday ready by switching out pillows and throws. Our festive prints and patterns will put you and your family in the Christmas mood. Turn your coffee table into a Christmas crafting station. It's a fun way to make memories, and when the craft session is over, you'll have some terrific holiday keepsakes. No Christmas celebration is complete without tasty treats. Some frosted garland and wintry wall decor will add holiday flair around the refreshments table and make snack time a special occasion. We hope these ideas will inspire you and your family to create a festive vibe that's warm and wonderful. Merry Christmas! For more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.